Welcome back to Mind Matrix. Imagine a world where you can socialize, work, and play in immersive digital spaces. This is the metaverse, a concept that's rapidly becoming a reality. The term metaverse was first introduced by author Neil Stephenson in his 1992 novel Snow Crash, where it described a virtual reality space where users interacted through avatars. Today, the metaverse refers to a collective virtual shared space, merging physical and digital realities. It's an expansive network of 3D worlds, accessed in real time by millions of users. At its core, the metaverse is built upon several key technologies. Virtual reality, which offers fully immersive environments that users can interact using VR headsets. Other is augmented reality, which overlays digital information onto the real world, enhancing our physical surroundings, and blockchain, which provides decentralized ownership and digital rights management, enabling users to own and trade virtual assets securely. These technologies experience where the digital and physical worlds are intertwined. For example, in platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox, users can purchase virtual real estate, build structures, and even monetize their creations. This fusion of digital and physical realities is paving the way for new forms of social interaction, commerce, and entertainment. The potential applications of metaverse are vast. It offers virtual spaces where people can meet, chat, and collaborate, regardless of physical location. It enables immersive concerts, virtual theme parks, and interactive storytelling experiences. It provides virtual classrooms, offering interactive and engaging learning environments. It also facilitates virtual offices where teams can collaborate in real time, enhancing remote work dynamics. The metaverse is still in its formative stages, but its evolution is accelerating. As technology advances and more people engaging with these virtual spaces, the metaverse could redefine how we perceive reality and interact with the whole world around us. Today, it is not easy to believe blindly in the future of metaverse. But on the other hand, when we see the bright past of science and technology, then everything is possible. What are your thoughts on metaverse? Are you excited about its possibilities or do you have concern about its implementation? Share your views in the comments below. If you found this exploration insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to Mind Matrix for more deep dives into the ever evolving landscape of technology and its impact on our lives. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.